My name is Paul Yates. I'm the Deputy Director of IT for the City of Pearland, Texas. I oversee technology infrastructure, cybersecurity, and application delivery. The drone as a first responder program kind of has its roots in a case of a special needs child that went missing. It caused some thought as to, well, how can we do this better? The City of Pearland's 7 miles from Houston Hobby Airport, has a lot of traffic that comes through there. In order to be able to operate, there were other requirements from the FAA. One of those was having iris automation, which was collision detection cameras. There was also a requirement for another software called White Fox, that's drone detection. Again, if someone else is operating a drone in our area, we don't want to run into them and we don't want them to run into us. There was a software called Drone Sense. That's kind of our drone management program. ThousandEyes assures us that the drone is available to launch. So the drone launches from an autonomous dock installed in certain areas of the city. And when the time comes for it to launch, wherever the operator is, it will open up and the drone will lift off. If there's any interruption in the network or latency in the network, it could keep that drone from launching and impede that response to whatever the emergency call was. So ThousandEyes gives us not only insight into how well those services are responding to us in Pearland, but also their availability. Those data flows are what's important to make sure that, one, we're meeting the FAA requirements, and two, that we're able to really successfully use this program to make safer and more reliable responses to whatever may happen. We learned about ThousandEyes from a partner of ours who said, hey, you guys should really check this out. And that was kind of following a service outage we saw. It garnered a lot of attention from upper management. And so it was kind of, I remember us running around trying to figure out, well, is it us? Is it them? Or is it somewhere in between? ThousandEyes provides a level of visibility that we did not have prior to its onboarding. And, in the past, there were probably instances where there was an outage and, for lack of a better term, we'd run around like our hair was on fire, trying to figure out where it was, what happened. So this helps mitigate the running around crazy. We're using ThousandEyes in as many ways as we can right now. We've seen a real shift in Pearland and probably municipal government as a whole, from on-premise applications, a shift to SaaS applications. So lots of opportunities to make sure that those applications are available to staff. Some of these are available directly to the citizen, and we want to make sure that those are up. And again, if there is an outage, we have a big and complex series of networks. Any kind of insight that we could get totally helps. Possibilities abound for the use of ThousandEyes. Internally, we want to deliver a positive experience for staff to be able to do their job, to deliver on the mission that they have for the citizens. That's our mission every day. We work for the citizen and we want to deliver great service and make Pearland a shining star, the place to be.